Hello students, we will be studying about the instrument hot air oven, which is used for sterilization purpose, which is an instrument for dry heat sterilization where here moisture is not used. No moisture content is used for sterilization. Now this is an insulated double walled chamber. If you see the inner part of it, you can see it is an insulated double walled chamber which does not allow exchange of temperature. You can see a tray there which is used to keep the tray is the benefit of that is used to keep the glassware which can be sterilized. Apart from that, you can see that there is a fan, a circulating fan, which is for the uniform distribution of the temperature. Below the thing, you can see that there are many perforations below which coils are kept through which the temperature is increased, or it gets heated up. Even the door is a double walled insulated chamber. After this, you can also, the outside part of the hot air oven, if you see, it has a digital meter which will read the temperature. Okay, it can read the temperature. You can see the current temperature and the set temperature. There are buttons there. These buttons are used to increase or decrease the temperature of my choice. Once I do that, I'll have to set the temperature. I have to set it. There is a regulator which will allow me to regulate or control the airflow inside. If I want the airflow to be fast, then I will increase the speed, or if I want the airflow to be slow, I will decrease the speed. The switch is to switch on the fan, or if I do not want the circulating fan, I will switch it off. There are two buttons there which will tell me that the mains are on, and the control button will tell me it will glow as soon as the required temperature has attained. Now what are the different temperatures that are used is holding temperature and time is 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes, 170 degrees centigrade for 60 minutes, and 160 degrees centigrade for 120 minutes. These are the different holding times and temperatures that is required for the sterilization purpose. It will get displayed in the digital meter there. What are the things that I can sterilize here? I can sterilize various instruments, various glasswares, instruments like your scalpels, your scissors, etc. What are the things that I cannot do? Anything that is related with moisture, any cotton or any dress materials, aprons cannot be sterilized. Only glasswares and any instruments I can